It's gonna be Mission PJ Seeker.
Remember, it's for Mission Airplane on July 5th. We're going on a plane on July 5th from Houston to New York City on July 5th for coming soon. That's right, for next week for coming soon, of course, by Gas Gas.